Hello. This is a little weird. I'm doing an experiment with a healing energy while I sleep. I'll link to a video down below about how it seems like a lot of us can feel this healing energy run through us and into the world, and we don't know what it does. But you're just being of service and trying to make a positive impact on the world. So what I will be experimenting with tonight while I sleep is that I will have an intention that the healing energy can come through me while I sleep. So I will do that on camera so you can see how I do it. And I will turn off the camera, I will sleep, and I will record again when I wake up and tell you if I felt anything or what I felt. So just really short, the healing energy, we have no control of it. It's just being, call it being a booster of the energy. I don't know these things, of course, but it seems like the energy uses us to have a maybe stronger impact on this planet, because it goes through you, you can feel it. I have burning in my hands, and it goes through you and out into the world and does whatever it does, right? So I do it while I meditate in the morning, but I got the idea, what if I open up for it while I sleep? So it can do its thing for many, many hours instead of just 10 minutes. So, my intention is that I am now opening up for the healing energy to go through me and work while I sleep. And I ask that this is done in the best interest of all. Thank you. I will now sleep, and I will report back to you in the morning. Okay, see ya. Hey. So, the results are in. I felt warm. I did wake up once or twice during the night. So I felt warmer than usual, and I felt the burning in my hands immediately when I opened up for that it could be there through the night. And beyond that, not a big difference, I think.
Well, that's not completely true. It's Editing Terry here. After I stopped recording, I suddenly remembered that I, during the night, either had a dream or woke up and felt a strong sense of joy. I was smiling. I don't know what it was, and it didn't last for long, but it was there, and it was special.
Tomorrow, things are gonna get weird. I received an email with a manifesting method that I never heard about, and it flips manifesting on its head. It's amazing. I almost have no words of how brilliant and different this is. So I will read the email tomorrow on the channel. So hopefully see you then, yeah?